And now this one, my friends, you can even ask the GPT model what is top P as well. Okay, so for example, I can say what is top P in NLP. Okay, so you can see here we have got the answer from the model, okay, with the examples, and you can even customize the response as well. Okay, so for example, you can say please explain it in easy way, easy way. Okay, uh, again for a 5 years old child. Okay, and even you can just customize the text. That means you can just use the prompts again and again, and AI will going to learn the response, and then it will try to give you the very relevant example. Okay, so of course you can see and understand what TP is. Okay, so basically it's of course, imagine you have a big bags of toys and you want to play with the best and the most fun toys first. Okay, so top P is like a magic rule that helps you pick out the most special toys from the bag. In NLP, which is like teaching computers to understand and talk like people, top P helps the computer choose the most important words in a story or a sentence. It's like telling the computer, hey, pay attention to the word that shows up at the lot. Forget about the ones that don't show up very often. Okay, so top is like a special way to help the computer find the coolest and most useful words, just like you want to find out the coolest and most fun toys to play with. Okay, so hope you guys have understood what top is basically. Okay, so that's how you can just use ChatGPT to learn it and increase your productivity.